Hey guys, this is Abhijit Nair and this video is about affiliate marketing for beginners, and this video is also for those guys who actually are struggling with affiliate marketing and are not able to make sales and make a passive income with affiliate marketing. Alright, so I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is and I'm going to explain how to do it properly so that you can get started the right way. So first of all, let me explain what affiliate marketing real quick. Right, so affiliate marketing basically is that you promote someone else's product in exchange for a commission. Right, you get a link, a special unique link for you, okay, and you can just share it around, and when people goes through that link and buy something, that company or that marketplace knows that you have referred that customer to their products, and you will make a commission accordingly, like whatever the percentage that they have decided. Okay, so that's what basically affiliate marketing is. Let me ask you a very quick question. Right, what makes you buy things? One word: trust. Right, trust is a very a very big word, I must say, because this plays a huge role if you want to be able to successful with affiliate marketing or any business, if you're getting into that. Okay, so let me give you an example. Right, let's say you want to start running and you want to buy a pair of running shoes. Right, you want to buy a pair of running shoes and you happen to have a friend who is running every day, who is who knows these things, and you actually go to him for the recommendation of for the shoes. Right, and when he recommends, you actually go ahead and buy those shoes. Right, why? Because you have trust in him that he will actually recommend good things, because he knows his stuff, he knows what kind of shoes are good, what brands are good. So my point is that affiliate marketing or whatever business that you are involved in has evolved. Right, the buying decision of customers, buying decision of people have evolved over the time, and the old way doesn't work anymore. Right, it works on any, it applies on any online business. Okay, so let me tell you what's going to happen. Right, so you actually want to build trust, right, to actually sell a ton of products and make a ton of commissions. Okay, now how can you do that? Right? How can you get people to buy stuff from you? How can you get people to trust you? That's why there are these systems, new systems have evolved in this affiliate marketing space. There is new funnels. There's something called funnels that actually helps, that eases this trust building, this relationship building, which allows you to make commissions from affiliate marketing quite easily. Right, if you don't know what a funnel is, what these systems are, do not worry about that. I'm actually going to explain in this video itself. This is going to be a real golden video, and if you watch this, a lot of your doubts would be cleared. So let me explain how you can approach affiliate marketing the right way, and how you can position yourself in such a way that you will be able to make a lot of commissions, a lot of money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, in the olden method, right, the 96% of people actually fail whenever they do affiliate marketing, and this is the reason why. What they do is they directly send people to the sales page, right, to the offer page, whatever that they are promoting. Okay, and the conversion rate of people is like barely 1%. Like if they send 100 people or 1,000 people, they get like 1 to 10 customers, which is really, really bad. Okay, now you want to build trust. Right, you want to build trust, and by the way, these are visitors, right, and we call them traffic. Right, the visitors to your website, visitors to your offers, we call them traffic in terms of affiliate marketing. That's the terminology that we guys use. Right, so what happens is you drive traffic. Right, don't worry about how you can bring people to see your offer. That's a topic for another stuff. First, understand this process. Right, so first of all, you drive traffic, and what you do is, instead of sending them directly to the offer page, you're gonna send them to something called an opt-in page. Right, many of you may already know this, but make sure you watch this video till the end, and you will understand understand the real process behind making ton of money. Okay, so this is an opt-in page. Right, and you can also call it a squeeze page, an email capture page. And here what we are going to do is, we are going to ask people to submit their email address, to give their email address. right? So that when they give their email address, they get added to something called a list, right? A list. This is our email list, and this is the biggest asset any business can have. I will explain that in a minute. Okay, so you send traffic, you send people over to something called an opt-in page. And why would people actually will give you their emails? So you need to give them something that is actually valuable to them, right? That will increase whatever the results they want. Let's say you are in weight loss niche, right? Weight loss niche, right? And you have a PDF document that talks them how they can lose weight by doing a specific type of diet which only you know, or which a lot of a lesser number of people know. And if you give that, they are looking to lose weight, right? So they will be happy to give you their email address. Okay, they'll be happy to give you their email address in exchange of that PDF document. It could be anything, right? It could be a course, right? Let's say now I am in an online business niche, right? So I give people a free report, a free video course that will actually explain them, that will actually help them in their journey of online business. Okay, so they are happy to give me their emails. Now what to do with their emails, let me explain that as well. Right now, first of all, let's see the above part of the equation, right? So the traffic gets sent, they enter their email address, and then they get sent to something called a thank you page or a bridge page, right? We call this a thank you page. We thank them for, because they have given their email address, right? And then we present them our affiliate offer for the first time, right? A few percent of people, like 1 to 2% of people, will actually click this button, right? Will actually click this button and buy, and you make money off that, right? That's just like 1 to 2%, right? I don't really, there's no high end conversion on these people, right? They just get exposed to an offer, and many of them won't convert, but few of them will. Okay, and here you can actually do a video explaining the product that they're gonna get, or what are the benefits if they're gonna get this product, and all those stuff, right? Now they are in your email list, right? Now we are going to focus on this area of the business, right? So now they are on your list. Okay, now you have an sequence built in, right? If you don't understand, don't worry, I'll explain that. Now what you're going to do is you are going to send emails to people, right? Emails that gets sent to the same offer page, right? And you will send email again on the next day, and you will send them emails again on the next day as well, right? First of all, you will send them emails giving them the PDF report that you have promised. Okay, now what this does is this will actually build trust with these people who are inside your email list. Okay, this will actually position yourself as an authority, that you know your stuff, and they will be able to, they will be following you for more advice in future, right? If actually this PDF is valuable enough for them. Okay, and the second email, you can give them more value, right? Instead of sending them to this page, like you can actually send them to this page on the first few emails, right? And let's say from the third email, instead of sending them to this page, you're gonna send them to a page with a video explaining them something, right? I actually explain what affiliate marketing is, and how they can make money real quick in 24 hours, something like that, right? I make a video there, and I put a button down there, explaining this will actually increase their chances of success. And I recommend it. I don't really sell them to it on their face, right? I just recommend that stuff, right? And when they click that, I have provided value already in this video, right? And they will most likely be clicking this button, right? They will be checking out my recommendation, and they will go ahead and move on to the offer page, right? This time there is more chances for them to buy that thing that they are promoting, that you are promoting. Okay, I hope you're getting this. Right, all these things are simple to do. I will explain how as well, so don't worry about that, but just understand the process. again. Okay, now in the fourth email, instead of directly sending them to here, you will send them again to a different video or maybe a blog article or whatever that will actually increase value to these guys. This will build trust. Okay, once you build trust, they will be buying from you. Okay, now this could be another video, this could be an article that will actually help them, and you will sprinkle your affiliate links, that there can be a button, there can be hyperlinks, you know, and these all links go towards the same offer again. And believe me, this whole process, like let's say you follow them for 7 to 10 days, right, with the same offer, with this same offer that you're promoting. First up, this will increase your conversion up to 20%, right? So every 100 people you get into your email list, there will be 20 customers for this offer, and you will be making money. Okay, now the better part is, the best part of this thing is, once people are in your list, in your email list, what happens is that guy remains on your email list until that guy unsubscribes from your email list, right? Now what this means is you can actually promote more stuff, right, more offers that will bring in more commissions to you, right? Let's say in this online business niche, first I tell them, no, go check out this will actually increase their success. This is a great system that they will be able to leverage to make money online, right? 20% people will convert after this process, after 7 to 10 days, and then after 10 days I can actually send them to something else that will increase the value, right, that will increase their knowledge, something like maybe a traffic generation product, right, something that will teach them how to bring in a lot of visitors to buy their stuff, right? And that can be another product. And then there can be another product which teaches them how to build proper funnels, right? Now about the funnels, this whole thing of bringing traffic, of building an email list, of sending emails, of building thank you pages, these things are called funnel, right? This is a funnel, right? What a funnel does is it actually, brings in visitors, right? And there's a process goes through, and it will actually separate buyers that will make you money, and that will separate people where you have actually can send more products and make more money online. I hope you are really getting this. Now to do all these, right, there are specific software, specific service that you should have, that you must have in order to be successful, right? So let's say to build these pages, to build opt-in pages, to build thank you pages, right? Let me change the color. Now to build these opt-in pages, to build these thank you pages, to build these pages, you must have something called a funnel builder, right? And there are a lot of tools out there like ClickFunnels, there is Thrive Architect, there is Drop Funnels, there is a lot of stuff, there is a lot of softwares that you can use and build these things within like 1 to 2 minutes, within like 5 to 10 minutes, without even know a line of code, right? And here this list, to store your email list and to automate the whole email thing, right? Let me tell you this once again, right? You will be following up with your people and sending them to these offers and making money, right? And this whole thing can be automated, right? You just have to put your emails of day 1, day 2, day 3 to up to day 10, right? You can do this for the whole year. You can automate this whole thing. You have to just preload your message once, okay, in this system. And we call this system called email marketing software, email marketing system, or autoresponders, right? So these things are essential for your success to make money with affiliate marketing, to actually make passive income with affiliate marketing. And now, I actually recommend you to go here and check this blog post out. I actually will leave a link in the description below, okay? So I urge you to go ahead and read about this if you're totally brand new, right? It explains what exactly is passive income. There is a little video that explains how affiliate marketing works and all those stuff, right? and my recommendations and everything. And at the last time, you will be able to click on this button and you will be taken to something like this, right? This is an example of an opt-in page, right? This one. This is an example of an opt-in page, right? Free report. I'm giving value to you. Okay, this is a simple affiliate marketing. Okay, and by the way, go ahead and enter your email address here, and I will be sending you a free PDF report that explains how to generate six-figure income with 8 simple steps that you can take, right? So I highly recommend you click the link and go and read this, and also just enter your email address and you will receive an email from me talking about this stuff, and you can actually see the whole of this process taking action by enrolling your emails into this. So guys, please do affiliate marketing the proper way. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you can you can see more of my videos and you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so that's about it. Cheers, I'll see you in the next video.